course, for me, the standout film of last year was PK. With Mr. Hirani, what is really remarkable is that with every film, he finds something worth talking about, and he doesn't talk down to you, but he really speaks to you about it. Probably PK was a film that was intended to speak to a wider audience. I think on an international sort of so a film like Birdman, for obvious reasons, is really an outstanding example of filmmaking and the craft of filmmaking. I think from last year, amongst the Hindi films that I watched, the editing of Mardani was again absolutely exceptional. I think the pace which is built up through the film, and it's an action film. So I am personally very fond of watching action films, and I think it's such a tricky job to constantly keep your audience riveted and to keep your audience engaged, because it's nowadays with the shorter kind of attention spans that all of us have, it's really you kind of leave in one scene or half a scene or that one shot extra, and your audience has already sort of switched off. And I'd like to also talk about Whiplash as a film which is just so beautifully edited, and it was particularly if you watch the film and you watch the end, I think that is just what blows you away. I have rarely experienced that with a film, that when the end credits roll and you realize the film has ended, I'm still kind of trying to just wonder what hit me. I graduated from the Film and Television Institute in Pune. Our primary focus was largely in the narration of fiction and feature films or full-length sort of narratives. And now with a lot of people trying out different ways of telling a story, I was exposed to so many new formats. For instance, ad films. We had workshops in the institute and stuff, but I think here is where you really kind of get to throw yourself into all the different formats and stuff. It took me a while to kind of understand how ads would work, and I would still say I'm probably not as passionate. Honestly, I'm not as passionate about editing ads than as I am about editing feature films, because the long format sort of really speaks to me, and I feel I need to live through it. It's like 6 months of my life I'm with that film. There's so much investment in a feature film. Ads, I think, are a fun sort of 2-3 days, and you're in and out of there usually in 2-3 days, and it's a good exercise. I think end of the day you're really approaching every film depending on what the format, what the structure, what the story demands, and hopefully try and bring as much of yourself into the film as possible, whether it's 10 minutes long or 2 hours long. My personal favorite genre, I would say, is of what I have already done is comedy. I would love to do is what I would love. I usually love watching are slasher films or zombie films. I haven't done either, so hopefully that would happen sometime. A lot of people say that a good editor makes a good director, and of course, you have some of the best directors working, some of the most interesting minds in the industry today have been editors. For instance, Rajkumar Hirani, David Dhawan, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. All of them have an editor's mindset, and I think the way they approach their films reflects a lot of that. And I believe that Rajkumar Hirani, for instance, doesn't have any deleted scenes. which is just, it's so rare. I've never experienced something like that myself. There are almost always deleted scenes, but I think it just goes to show how he's working and how he's uh, kind of very focused. He knows exactly what he wants, not going to shoot extra. And yeah, I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing or a bad thing, so it's not a judgment, but it's really remarkable. Pandolin celebrates cinema in its entirety. Pandolin has managed to kind of whittle down the massive sort of array of releases we had last year to some of the best of the particular genres. And that is really reflecting in the nominations that you have this year.